मेरी नजर कब से तुझ पे है कबीर इंडिया's best soldier रॉ का बेस्ट एजेंट
Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to design a professional and cinematic Bollywood-style movie poster for War 2 using Coreldraw. This tutorial is inspired by Hrithik Roshan's look and vibe in the upcoming action-packed film War 2. Whether you're a beginner or already into graphic designing, this tutorial will help you improve your Coreldraw skills and learn essential poster design techniques. After this, we'll import Hrithik's photo in PNG format into Coreldraw and then convert it to grayscale to match the cinematic style of the poster. After converting the image to grayscale, go to the effects menu and adjust the brightness and contrast settings. This will help enhance the photo further and make it blend better with the cinematic theme of the poster. Since this is the second part of the movie, we'll use the text tool to add the number 2 to the poster. This will help give the design a unique and bold style, making it clear that it's a sequel. After adding the text, we'll convert it to curves and then apply an outline. This way, we can still see the image underneath the text, especially from the bottom, while keeping the text visible and stylish. Now we'll duplicate Hrithik Roshan's photo. We'll place one copy behind the text, and then we'll cut the side of the other copy to create an effect where it looks like the text too is wrapping around the hero. This adds a dynamic and cinematic touch to the overall poster design. Next, we'll take another duplicate of Hrithik's photo along with the background image. Then we'll power clip both of them inside the two text so it looks like the hero and background are contained within the number, giving the poster a bold and cinematic look. After that, go to the effects menu and apply a blur effect to both images inside the two text. This will create a soft, cinematic depth, helping the main elements of the poster stand out more clearly. At this stage, the poster is really coming together beautifully. With the combination of grayscale effects, the layered photos, and the bold two text design, it's starting to look like a real, professionally designed cinematic poster. The overall layout is beginning to reflect the intense and action-packed vibe of the movie, and we can now clearly see how each element is contributing to the final visual impact. Now we'll bring in Junior, NTR's photo, and apply the same effect as we did earlier with Hrithik Roshan's image. First, we'll convert the photo to grayscale to maintain the cinematic tone and visual consistency of the poster. Then, we'll place his image towards the end or bottom edge of the two text, carefully aligning it so it blends naturally with the design. This placement helps ensure that Junior, NTR, also feels like a central part of the poster, and not just an add-on. With this step, we're making sure that both heroes are visually represented as part of the same cinematic universe, all within the bold shape of the number 2. Now that all the major elements are in place, let's move on to the final step. We'll start by selecting all the design layers, including the text, edited photos, and effects, and then power clip everything into the main background. This will unify the entire layout, giving the poster a clean, well-composed, and cinematic appearance. Once that's done, we'll add the full movie title, War 2, in a bold and dramatic font, positioning it prominently to give the poster its final identity. Make sure the title stands out by using strong contrast, shadows, or glow effects. This adds power and presence, making it look like a real Bollywood movie poster. And there you have it. How did you like today's tutorial? We started from scratch and ended up creating a professional cinematic War 2 poster, all using Coreldraw. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to sharpen your design skills, I hope this tutorial helped you learn some valuable techniques and inspired your creativity.